My kulot, my kulot. Dali ah. Yeah, I got my like this. Can you see that? So I'm trying if I actually picked a small one. Wait, let me get it. This is small. That is small. Wait. Little. Small. I don't know if it fits me. Hala. Oh, I think it fits. Yeah. I got the nice fit. The small fits me. You see that? Small. Yeah. 5K. This is Trail Ultra. Brought to you by Davao Life is here. Posters, free headwear. This is a headwear. A sticker. Sorry, may tao. Wait. It's the langaw. See that? It's a lechon. Wait, let me get the lechon. Wow. Oh, this. Hey. Oh, it's dark already. What time is it? It's 5:22. And I'm catching Pokemons. Ha! Peace, yo.